Now introducing Caleb. He's had 2 internships so far in his time at Northwestern, one in Washington, D.C., and another in the Minnesota State Senate. His story is powerful. His original internship in Washington, D.C. got canceled, but his professor reached out through his network to create a new internship for Caleb. Caleb, tell us more.
Thanks for the intro, Alex, and hey everyone. When I was a kid, deciding what I wanted to do with my life was really difficult. I wanted to find something that I was passionate about, but also something that I could build into a strong career. Once I landed on politics, I was drawn towards the University of Northwestern. They had the exact program I was looking for, and I was already familiar with UNW through my parents, who are both alumni. One of my greatest opportunities was an internship in Washington, D.C. with United States Senator Tim Scott. This experience gave me a close-up view into how the government is run, from participating in constituent representation to leading tours of the Capitol building and even helping to author some legislation. On a personal level, my time in this internship helped me to channel my passion for politics into a more specific career path of teaching. It also taught me a lot about collaborating with and encouraging those with different political views and backgrounds than my own. My faith is a huge part of my life, and I can't imagine a better school environment for a growing Christian. We have chapel daily and classes focused on spiritual growth, but what sticks out to me the most is the strong Christian community on campus. I have supportive brothers and sisters in Christ who have walked with me through my faith journey and every challenge that life throws at me. I've taken on several leadership roles, including being on student government and president of the Christians for Liberty Club. This is all to solidify the valuable skills that UNW has given me for leading in a godly and serving way before I have the privilege of going out and doing it in the world. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Caleb, through internships, leadership roles, and a powerful Christian community, you've built a strong foundation for a meaningful career. Truly an inspiring example of living out faith in action. It's so great to see Northwestern encourage and support you through those opportunities. Thanks, Caleb.